Hi, my name is Jenna, a stylist at Trademark Salon. Today, I will be showing you what I do at home to style my hair. First, I use the ThermaShape Quick Blow Dry Spray from KMS. It speeds up drying time by up to 50%, reduces friction when blow drying, and it is lightweight conditioning. Then, I applied straightening cream, also from the ThermaShape family, which provides up to 72-hour style retention, and it reduces heat damage and breakage. After I applied those two products, then I will use my Veris blow dryer with the help of the Veris vent brush. After I finish blow drying my hair, I applied Moist Repair Hydrating Oil. It provides lightweight hydration and nourishment for all hair types, and it makes hair feel healthier and skin more hydrated. After blow drying, I'm styling my hair with a 1-inch Veris curling iron. Before I do that, I'm spraying ThermaShape 2-in-1 spray. It helps styles last up to 72 hours, gives shape to hot tools for styles, and reduces breakage by up to 50%. It also gives extra hold and shine and reduces flyaways when used as a finishing spray. If you have longer hair, I would spray section by section to get even saturation. To finish off, I sprayed Playful Texture Spray. It builds natural texture with each application, lets you rework a style anytime you want, and provides a lasting, pliable finish. So, what do you think? Are you ready to recreate this look at home? Visit Trademark Salon today to discover our full range of KMS and Veris products.